How to add bike to Uber Eats. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel How to Use Basics. Today on this tutorial video, I will show you guys how you can add bike to Uber Eats. So let's get right into the tutorial. So firstly, hop into any web browser you have on your device, as it can't be done on Uber Eats application. For instance, I'll be using Safari application. Now search for the Uber help. As you can see, I have already searched for it. After searching, different websites and links will be appeared on your screen. From these different options, click on first one, Uber help. Once you are here on this page, click on driving and delivering option. Again, here on the search bar, search for chat. After searching, scroll down until you see this option of I have a different delivery issue. Click on it and you will be directed to this page. Only the customer service of Uber Eats will help you to add bike to Uber Eats. So here under the share details option, enter your details saying that you want to change the vehicle to bike. Once you entered all of the details, click on submit option. Now the customer service of Uber Eats will reach out to you and help you to add bike to Uber Eats. So that's all for this tutorial. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.